Hi, it's Becca with eTruckBiz, and I want to cover something that is pretty basic but unavoidable in today's increasingly changing technology environment. Sometimes the updates are so big that we actually have to take the old one off of the device and put the new one on. App updates provide new and improved functionality. We plan on building a system of apps that will make operating this business much easier than it is today. In order to update your app, follow these general steps. First, you're going to uninstall the old app. Then you'll power down and restart your phone. And then third, you will download and install the new app from the appropriate store. So if you have an Android, you're going to locate your eTruckBiz app, and then you'll hold down the app icon and it'll start to wiggle. Once that happens, you will then press the uninstall option, and then you can restart your phone and then download the P&D Driver app from the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, it's kind of the same process. You're going to locate the eTruckBiz app, you'll hold down the app icon, and then when it wiggles, instead of pressing the uninstall option, you're going to press X and then delete. Then you'll restart your phone and download the P&D Driver app, which will be a silver E icon, just like the one circled. So that is how you would properly uninstall and reinstall the new P&D Driver app. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at any time, and my contact information is below. Thank you.